Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add the shortcuts on your Chrome browser. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. Here open the Chrome browser first on your desktop and then you will see the home page of the Chrome browser. Then tap on the add shortcut button. After tapping on it, you will see two blank options. Here one is name and one is URL. In the name, type the name that you want to add the shortcut. For example, I type the YouTube. And then on URL, tap on youtube.com. Or except YouTube, you can add any of the shortcuts but add .com at the last. After you type, tap on the done option and then you can see the shortcut is added to your home page. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.